Yo, what's good, guys? Producer Mykah here, and today, guys, I'm gonna be making a fast tempo beat. Actually, remaking a fast tempo beat. Joe Boy just dropped, a project title. I don't know the name of the project, but my best track on that project was Free of Charge. Joe Boy featuring Olamide, produced by the undisputed champion TUC. So without wasting time, guys, let's go right to our DW. So we see how this was made. Let's go. But yeah, I'm just gonna play the section like I said, and let's just hear what it sounds like. And this beat is heavy, very heavy. So let's listen.
I give all the money for your child. So much money for my polo. So like I love you to spend it all on you. Say you want to bounce, telling my baby on the euros. But you're in a mansion and a Lamborghini euros. Whoa.
Yeah, so you can hear just the structure of the beat. You can hear it sounds very nice, very, very heavy. So I'm just gonna show you guys how I started. It started with just this clap. Have this normal clap. This is just a very simple clap, and this is what the clap is playing. Like I said, if you're on the Patreon, you get access to this FLP. And why I decided to do this remake is because this is just a different vibe. So I have like 3 different clap. Then I have another one. Yeah, and this is what it sounds like. Just a very simple clap, just to give it that groove. And the clap has some swing on it already. So if you can see, the notes, some of the notes are basically, most of the notes are shifted just to give it a swing, because just playing it on the grid is just gonna take away that swing, gonna take away that groove. So just make sure you're playing, if you want to create something like this, you're giving it some manual swing. Yeah, then I just saw this, this percussion groove. And this percussion groove is the proper definition of what the whole vibe looks like. And this loop is from the Wildfire Park. So I just layered that percussion underneath it, and we have this. So if you listen now, it gives it more groove. It makes you want to shake your head. Then next thing, you just play some percussions basically, and this is what the percussion sounds like. Yeah, so this. Then next percussion. Then the next one. Yeah, then the next one. Just playing around with some percussions to give it that groove basically. And together with that percussion, we have this. You can see it's really groovy right now. Just want to shake your head, just want to move along with it. Amazing, right? Then next thing is a very strong kick, very heavy. So it comes like, the kick comes in once, and when it comes, you should feel that impact. You should feel the, you should feel the heaviness. You have this. Then there's this percussion that just plays all through. It sounds like this. It has some swing also. Yeah, so that's it. Then we have this percussion that just come in once like that, just to add some energy, to the second bar. So it just comes in after every 2 bars. Come. The next thing, was the chord, and for the chord, it's just a very, very simple, just a very simple chord progression. Trust me, it sounds like this. It sounds like this. So it's like re and la, but they removed the he removed the middle, the middle note. So it sounds open like this. So on the key of G, just say your la and your fa, then your la and your mi. So nice. So for this chord, I'm using Diva. Nice. So all I just did was to increase the glide a little bit, because listening to this song, I saw like there was like a glide. Nice. Okay, so yeah, then this is just the same chord we have here, consolidated. So nice. I think that's all. So for the vocal, I just use all the need to convert it. So I'm gonna play that. But yeah, they have some nice strings that sounds like this. So you see like it's a complex string, but it's just the same note that is playing, here. I just play some an octave higher and play some, just basically this same stuff here is what I just played up and played down. Then I just added this cinematic Pluto. This plugin is amazing, guys. Amazing. It's just I'm gonna talk about this plugin later. Nice, sweet. The next thing is this hits, and this is what the hits is play. Yeah, and I'm using Xenology, just playing it an octave higher and octave lower. So let me just solo that. Not really doing much, but what's really doing the work is, this expand hits from expand definitive major, and it sounds like this. Let me just solo it. Nice. So together with that, we put it. Let's see what it sounds like. It just gives the whole song energy. So that hit just adds some energy, to the vibe. And then next thing is, our bass. And for this bass, big shout out to Willis too. Hooked me up with this bass. It sounds like this. So we just put that bass in, have it. Man, big shout out to TUC. TUC is a big inspiration, man. Like before I even started production, like I was listening to his works, man. Like big shout out. I just love how heavy, his beats are, man. Big shout out to TUC. So guys, then I think I took this bass from the original song, because I didn't just have the time to recreate that bass, but I could actually recreate it, but I didn't just want to. So with that bass, we have this. Nice. Then with the vocal, then just added some impact to have it.
Say you want to bounce, telling my baby on the euros, but you're in a mansion and a Lamborghini euros. Whoa, so much money for my polo.
Not for like the whole song, but I just chopped that side because I just felt like it's the whole thing that is, the whole the arrangement is still the same arrangement in the verses where Olamide came in at. But yeah, man, big shout out. This is a nice jam. Like this is my best jam on the album. So thank you guys for watching, and you know how we do it. See you guys on the next one. Peace.